Imagine pressing the gas pedal and feeling like your car is trying to move through molasses, the engine roaring but the speed barely climbing. If you are dealing with trouble code P073A, that is exactly what is happening, because your transmission is physically stuck in gear 5. This is a generic powertrain code for OBD2 vehicles, but let me tell you, we see this a lot on Volkswagen and Audi models, though it can happen to a Ford, Nissan, or Mazda too. Basically, your car has a brain called the Transmission Control Module, or TCM, which is supposed to shift gears smoothly based on how fast you want to go. When this code pops up, that brain has detected a serious disagreement between what it wants to do and what the transmission is actually doing. Instead of starting in first gear, the car is trying to launch in fifth gear. Do not try to force it. Driving like this puts massive strain on your engine and torque converter, because you are asking the car to do highway speeds from a standstill. If you keep pushing it, you could overheat the transmission fluid and turn a fixable sensor issue into a complete transmission rebuild. So what do? First, park on a flat surface and check your automatic transmission fluid. Is it low? Is it dark and smelling like burnt toast? Dirty fluid can clog the tiny hydraulic passages that control shifting. If the fluid looks like a strawberry milkshake, that is a sign of water intrusion, which is a game over for the transmission. If the fluid is fine, look for leaks underneath. Next, you need to locate the TCM. Sometimes these are mounted right on the transmission or in spots where water can get in. Look for green corrosion on the connector pins. If you have a scanner that can read live data, watch the gear command versus the actual gear. If the computer says gear 1, but the transmission stays in gear 5 and your wiring looks good, you might be looking at a failed shift solenoid or a bad control module. Start with the basics. Check that fluid and save your transmission before it's too late.